What is up, you guys? Jim Roman here from the Internal Roots Movement. Welcome back. So, we've been doing a whole lot of med ball stuff lately, and we're gonna work on a mountain climber into a knee ride today. So, the last couple of videos I posted were like plank variations on the medicine ball. Well, I'll go ahead and just post it down in the link below. Do me a favor and watch those videos, or at least one of them, before you watch this one, because it'll help it make a little bit more sense. And it'll help it click that much better. Anyway, let's stop talking and sweating for some reason already and get started, shall we? For sure. All right, y'all. So, I know we watched those first videos I talked about. Put the link in the description below, so you're already familiar with the plank position on the ball, right? Perfect. So, we got our chest over or slightly past the ball, proud chest. We have our hips in the giving it, not taking it position. So upper arms rotate out, upper thighs rotate out as we hide our tail. Yes, keep driving down through that ball, lift those knees. Yes, now let's hover your left leg and feel the instability, and then start to stabilize. Minimize the shifting your body does. Let's press your left down, slightly hover your right. Minimize the shifting, readjust, become familiar with it and what it does. Press the right down, hover your left, and now pull your left up over the ball as a hover. And then let's press it back. Other side, hover the right, pull the right up. And now, let's drive it back. Awesome. Hover your left, pull the left up. Let's drive your left shin into the ball. Now that's where it's kind of fun. It's fun the whole time, but it gets even more fun. If you need to right now, feel free to bring your foot to the ground and allow that for a little bit of support. But as time goes along, see if you can keep your foot off the ground. Cool? Cool. Alrighty. Hover that left knee, drive back through your left heel, hover the right, pull right knee up, drive it down into that ball. Spine stays long, hips giving it, chest proud. Hover the right, kick back to your right. Let's do one more progression for this. Hover the left, pull the left knee up, drive the left knee and shin to the ball. Now, let's go ahead and pull your elbows back towards your hips. Kind of like a hop dance, okay? Now we press back into that ball, lift that left knee, sorry, kick back through your left heel, now the right side. Hover, pull the right knee up, drive through that ball, right foot down. If you need to, stabilize. Oh, we got this. Stable, stable, stable. Yes. Pull your elbows back towards your hips. Press back down to that ball. Hover the knee. Press back through your heel. Plant that foot. And go ahead and bring it on down, because we are finally done with this for now. Super work, you stellar savages. Thank you very much for joining in today and putting up with me. Hopefully you had a little bit of fun listening to your body, trying out some new stuff, and getting familiar with what a med ball has to offer you. I know, it's super fun, especially when it moves around on you and stuff like that. It's kind of like rolling but by yourself. Jiu-jitsu by yourself. Shadow rolling, shadow grappling. I know, it seems kind of weird, but it kind of is like that, because you're trying to ride on something that doesn't want to be ridden on and it's trying to throw you off. It's not as active as a person would be, but it still gives you an idea and a feel for what it's like to have a shifting mass beneath you. So get comfortable with that shifting mass, get aware of how that shifting mass impacts your body, and start to play with it and start to get the benefits of it. Anyway, I'm talking a lot. If you can, like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Click on stuff floating around. If not, no worries. I'll catch you next time. And thank you very much. See you soon, guys.